Hello, hi. We're introducing you to the Sachet Technologies.
So this is a fresh air system wherein you have inlet points and outlet points. In the inlet points, you have multiple filters where the air is filtered and then enters into the room. And your outlet point will take all the air which is already present in the room and passes it outside. So this circulation takes around 5 to 6 times in an hour. So this is what a fresh air system does. The machine will be present on the terrace or in the top floor, and a 4-inch PVC pipe will run all around the house. So yeah, this is fresh air system. So this is a central vacuum system where the machine will be placed outside the house like a parking lot or utility area, and 4-inch PVC pipe to run all around the house. We'll give inlet points in each and every area. So where it will connect the hose pipe, as you can see, this hose pipe will connect it into the inlet point, and it will do the normal cleaning. Whatever you clean will go into the sewage system directly. So this is called a self-flush machine, where it will be directly flushed into your sewage system. So this has both wet and dry option. So those wet and dry waste can be cleaned. So the entire house, that is from your parking lot to your terrace, can be cleaned with this one single machine itself.
So this is called as Vac to Wash from Sach. Sach is also, as you know, this from Spain. So let's say in your home, there are 5 or 6 rooms. One or the other room will be having the laundry bags, which you will be keeping for 2 to 3 days, and the stinking will be coming. For that, this is a solution where you have the laundry room in your ground floor. Let's say, imagine it's in the ground floor and you are in the 3rd floor or the 2nd floor. So for that, this is the laundry jet where you can say just directly send the cloth inside. Once I take it, you can just directly push it to the laundry room. So whatever we send here will directly go and fall into the laundry room. So this is the product, the Vac to Wash. So the advantage of this is you can just directly send the clothes directly to the laundry room rather than keeping it for 2 days and then taking it to the laundry.